good. So you might remember this one. This is my QE charger. And a few videos ago I created something like this, which is a wireless charging device that can be plugged into every USB device to charge it. So in my video it looked like this, a foil to retrofit your phone for QE charging and just soldered USB plug to it. And if you set it up there, then hopefully it will work. Exactly, so it powers and will deliver power to whatever you plug in there. And one question that came along was, or maybe the only question, was why don't I just show how to solder this into a device, so to basically not have to fiddle around with these ones, because if I want to plug it in, then I could obviously also take a power source to plug it in. I will link to the other video in the description below. And a quick review. So basically what it does is that we have the power source, which is down here. It's basically another coil and the electronics for it being powered by 5 volts. And then this is the other coil, and it will receive, nope, not this way, just this way. And it will basically just receive the power being induced like a transformer or whatever. Okay, so to show this, I will take this cheapo power bank I got as a present. The reason I'm using this is because it's quite crappy, it doesn't work, and so it's no problem if I break it in the making. Just quickly to show how it works. So you just plug it in here, so it starts lighting red. If we unplug it, then not, and if I power something, then it turns blue. So I would now just quickly break this apart to get to the intestines. You see I take this crappy power bank, and this should be a warning to you if you try this at home, because if you alter the device as the manufacturer made it for you, then you risk damaging it, and damaging more than it, maybe already breaking it, or it might not work or whatever. Therefore I'm using this thing that's not working. It basically runs dry after 2 minutes of charging. So, and if you don't know what you're doing, please don't try to retrofit your iPhone with that or something else. Just try it first, and I'm not accountable for any damage you do to your device. Just be careful. And the button, nice, with a bumper down here. What we are trying to do is to connect these two cables on the upper and on the lower one, and we should be fine. So far so good. I attached the 2 wires. They won't be attached forever, but it should be enough for the simple test. So the problem with the solder pads is they are so tiny that it's really hard to connect something to them. Steady. It's beeping and it's getting power. Put it away. Stops getting power. Beeping and it's getting power again. So this seems to work. Let's see if the USB power is still working. Actually, this might be the tricky part because I might have shortened some. And it's also working. Focus. Thank you for focusing. Can't get out. Okay. And the last thing is also working with the power. And we take this power cord and plug it in here and see if it still charges stuff. So that's the part you shouldn't try at home. Not the brightest idea to try with the cell phone first. Ah, and it's charging. And it's not charging. Perfect. Instead of connecting it to a USB charger, just connecting it directly to there, you might be able to convert everything that can be charged or powered by USB, powered by G. But I'm really pleased that this is working. Okay, it's a bit hacky, but if you shorten the leads and put this up there and then put everything back into the box and shut-up, so you basically have a wireless charging charger. So this wouldn't be much useful. But anyway, that's it. Maybe you have some better ideas how to utilize this and put it on your devices. Thanks a lot for watching. As you see, this is a AA in comparison and a 9-volt block in comparison, so this is much bigger, but there's nothing on there. So basically this is an 18650 battery, which is quite easy because this is 18 millimeters and this is 65 millimeters, but if I use this I will shorten it out and then it will spark. Basically this is the battery that's being used in laptops or cars like the Model S, and it's quite powerful. Don't try this. Okay, don't shorten it out. I think this might be the reason why the laptops explode. This is really scary powerful. So, no way to short yourself out again.